Thank you. Amanda and Benjamin, have the two of you come here freely and without reservation to commit yourselves to one another?
Ooga chaka, ooga, ooga, ooga chaka, ooga, ooga, ooga chaka, ooga, ooga, ooga chaka, ooga, ooga.
I can't stop this feeling deep inside of me. Girl, you just don't realize what you do to me. When you hold me in your arms so tight, you let me know everything's alright. I'm feeling, I'm believing that you're in love with me.